Earn money, no product required. Would you like to make cash by selling items online? While you may instantly presume that it is impossible for you to make money online, especially if you do not have any items to sell, it isn't. That's good news is that you can make cash, a substantial quantity of money, even if you don't actually have a product to sell. As it was specified earlier, there's a great deal of individuals who want to make money online. However, lots of believe that it's impossible to do because they do not actually have a collection of products, or they do not actually have the cash required to make the purchases. When this takes place, a bigger number of individuals simply offer up. You are recommended versus doing this. As formerly discussed, it is possible to earn money online. Even if you don't have any products to offer, you can do so with affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are programs that produce a collaboration with business owners and webmasters. If you are currently a webmaster, this is excellent. However, if not, you can easily turn into one. As you likely currently understand, a web designer is a person who owns and operates their own online site. As soon as you have a site and you discover another service which is running an affiliate program, you can participate in a collaborate with them, because you can both advantage from it. This partnership is distinct. Affiliate programs work to assist entrepreneurs increase their sales, but they likewise assist webmasters produce additional earnings. Affiliate program sounds great. You may be looking for more information, especially tracking software applications, which is typically referred to an affiliate tracking software application is used. That software will make it possible for a business owner to identify exactly when you help them create a sale and just how much that sale was. This sale will in turn produce additional income for you by the way of commissions. The quantity of money that you will make all depends on the affiliate program that you choose to join, but your commission is frequently a percentage of your sale. In some instances, can likewise be a flat rate quantity. When it comes to concerning affiliate programs, one of the questions most commonly asked is why? As previously discussed, affiliate programs enable you to make money offering an item that is never yours. This suggests that you do not have to handle any inventory. You likewise don't need to ship any products to the buyer. You shouldn't even have to interact with your customer. Your affiliate partner, the one who is selling the products, will do all of the work for you. What could be easier than that? If you are interested in generating income online without having to have your own product to offer, you are urged to more examine affiliate programs, namely the programs that are ready available for you to join. You can discover these programs by examining large affiliate hosting such as Linkshare. You can also find affiliate programs to sign up with by analyzing the online websites of numerous online retailers. Typically, Towards the bottom of the primary homepage, a company will outline whether or not they have an affiliate program that you can use. If you are truly seeking to make money online, you are urged to discover a product, a service, or a company that you can fully stand behind 100% to your success. P.S. Isn't it incredible that you can make money selling items without needing to manage your own stock? The quicker you sign for an affiliate program, the quicker you can start making money. Would you like to make cash by selling items online? While you may instantly assume that it's impossible for you to make cash online, especially if you do not have the products to sell, it isn't. As you have already been told, there is a large number of individuals who want to make money online. However, numerous believe that it is impossible due to the fact that they don't currently have the collection of products, or they don't have actually the money required to purchase. The quantity of money that you make will all depend on the affiliate program that you select to join, but your commission is often a percentage of your sale. If you are interested in making money online without having to have your own items to sell, you are urged once more to examine affiliate programs, namely the programs that are readily available for you to sign up. At this point, I'm going to suggest just put earning money, being an affiliate programs, how to become an affiliate into Google. Put it in the browser bar. You'll get hundreds, perhaps even thousands and millions of different sites you can join to become an affiliate. But please, whichever one you pick, do your research before you start paying any money or wasting time. Use Google, put the name of the company into Google, they'll come up with all the stuff for you to understand how they pay their commissions, what sort of commissions, what sort of advertising they have for you to use to sell their products, what sort of products they do, banners maybe for you to use to advertise with, all that sort of thing. Search Google with the name of the company you want to become an affiliate with. I use YouTube a lot for looking up things, and they give you pictures you can understand, or show somebody opening something. They show how to become an affiliate, tell you which way to go, show you the routes. So YouTube's good as well. So that's as much as I can say. Make sure that you check everything first. Please do not get scammed. Now, under my video, I have a link to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is for people wanting to make money online. I've over 300 videos on it. So if you want to go to it, get up there, similar to this video, because that's the only way I know to do them, you'll find something you want. Right, my YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Again, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Underneath my video there's a like button. I think they look something like that, or perhaps like that. Click on that, subscribe. That will help me with YouTube. Also, up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell, press all next to it. You'll get informed when I put another video up. That's the business side of it out the way. Now, please subscribe. Under my video, once more, I have a lot of links. They're all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs you can find, but there are a lot of programs because I've been online quite a while. And also you'll find tools I use for the internet work, especially if you're thinking of becoming an affiliate. Tools are below the video. So anything you click on, though, I must tell you, they're all affiliated. So if you purchase or join, I get a small payment. That's how the internet works. You get paid on commission, as I've already told you in this video. So this is wishing you all the very best in your online ventures. Please, please do the research. Take your time. Don't get caught. Don't get scammed. Nothing worse than spending hours doing something and find out you don't get paid for it. So once more, Ian Jackson, thank you for being here. Wish you all the very best. Please press the like button and subscribe. Cheerio for now.